Before you begin, it's important to thoroughly review the user guide that came with your Cybex Eternis S car seat. When you remove your car seat from the box, you'll find this guide tucked behind the harness. When you're done reviewing the user guide, be sure to store it behind the car seat. To start, we'll expose the rear-facing belt path to help with our installation. Raise the headrest to its highest position and unbuckle the harness. Unfasten the snaps on the car seat cover and push the buckle through the seat pad. Place the car seat rear-facing on your vehicle seat. There are 4 rear-facing recline positions available. Check the level indicator and adjust the car seat to one of these 4 positions. The recline ball should be positioned in the blue zone for rear-facing use. Next, route your vehicle's lap shoulder belt through the rear-facing belt path, making sure the seat belt lies flat and is positioned in front of the buckle. Buckle the seat belt. Before tightening the seat belt, we'll position the shoulder belt inside the blue lock-off. Hold the belt at an angle and move the seat belt back and forth to slide into position. Place one hand in the center of the car seat and push down firmly into your vehicle seat. With your other hand, pull the shoulder portion of your vehicle seat belt in the center of the car seat to gather excess slack. Continue to remove the slack by pulling the shoulder belt from the other side of the lock-off. Next, you must lock your vehicle seat belt. Information on how to lock your seatbelt is provided in your vehicle's owner's manual. Recheck your level indicator to make sure the recline ball is still in the blue zone for rear-facing use. Reattach the seat pad. Using one hand, grab the car seat near the rear-facing belt path. Try to move the car seat. It shouldn't move more than 1 inch from side to side or front to back. If it moves more than an inch, try to tighten the installation again. If it still moves more than an inch, try a different installation method or a different seating position in your vehicle. Finally, extend your linear side impact protection device. The LSP is only used if you're installing your car seat next to the vehicle door.